In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a page on Canva in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, knowing how to manage your pages efficiently is key to keeping your projects organized and clutter-free. Let's dive in and make your design process smoother than ever. First, start by opening your project in Canva. Once your design workspace is open, take a moment to look at the top of the page. This is where the toolbar lives, and it's your gateway to all the functions Canva has to offer. Familiarizing yourself with this area can really boost your workflow and make designing faster and more enjoyable. As you scroll through your project, you'll notice several icons representing different actions, like duplicating, downloading, or in this case, deleting. The icon you're looking for to remove a page usually looks like a small trash bin. It's designed to be easy to spot and is placed in a way that won't interrupt your creative flow. Click on the trash bin icon, but before you do, make sure you're on the page you actually want to delete. This is important because it helps prevent accidentally removing work you want to keep. Mistakes happen, and if you delete the wrong page, don't worry. Canva has a built-in undo feature or version history, so you can recover any content you might lose. After you click the delete icon, Canva might ask for confirmation. This step is a safeguard to ensure that nothing is removed without your explicit permission. It's a great moment to double check that everything important has been saved or moved before you continue. Once confirmed, the page will disappear from your workspace, giving you a cleaner, more organized project. Deleting pages doesn't just tidy up your design, it also helps your project run more smoothly, especially if it's a large presentation or portfolio. Keeping your work precise and focused makes editing easier and improves the overall quality of your final design. Whether you're working alone or collaborating with others, managing your pages efficiently is a small but powerful step in mastering Canva. And that's it. A simple, quick, and easy way to delete a page in Canva. Mastering this little trick can save you a lot of time and keep your designs neat and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore other features in Canva to take your design skills even further and make your creative process as smooth as possible.